Hey guys, let's talk about the giveaway truck. We hadn't talked about it in a while, and I think I figured out a way to do it. Everybody will enjoy it, and it'll be a lot of fun, and we can make some money. Now, the giveaway truck is buried in the weeds back over here because it's tropical rainforest here now. It rains every day, and grass is growing faster than you can cut it with a yard full of billy goats. So let's talk about the giveaway truck real quick.
I'd say it's a nut job.
Don't judge me too hard. I've been on the road for like a month, so now I gotta cut all this grass because it rained the whole time. But this is it, 67 F100. The body, other than you can't see it now because of the grass, one pretty good ding right there. The body's actually arrow straight. There's a little spot on the roof right there that I have to fix, but other than that spot on the roof, the truck is pretty well rust free that I know of, and is arrow straight, and it's going to make a 1967 F100 short bed 2-wheel drive truck. For those that have not seen that, I bought it from an estate. Basically, it was the guy passed away and wheeled it to his son. The guy's grandpa had bought that brand new, passed away. It went to the dad passed away, and it went to the grandpa, or it went to the grandson. And he had it blasted, put in this red oxide primer, and then he got sick and passed away. It was a running, driving truck. He decided he was going to restore it. It's a whole thing, but none of that matters to the story. So I snatched it up so it wouldn't just waste away, and then, well, it's growing up over there. So we're going to do a giveaway. Let me tell you what I got in mind. I've got that truck sitting there. Of course, it's got a 9-inch under the back of it, and I've got 9-inch stuff. And for an engine, what I have for an engine over here, piled up in this corner over here on a cart on the ground back over there, there is the short block that I started with in this car. Basically a 30/390. Now, with good heads and good intake on it and all, that short block ran 763. It's not going to set the world on fire, but it's a good, strong short block. Again, basically a 30/390 with a cam in it. And then over here in this other corner, all down on that bottom shelf in the back, is something like 30 sets of FE heads. So we can scrounge out a set of FE heads. We can do a good port match job on. I may have those. I don't know what set of heads I'd use, but we can do a good set of heads up, do a little port work, a little polishing, a few little things just to make them decent and put them on that motor. And then to top it off, I have that air gap 2x4 intake sitting right there underneath that carburetor over there. But I have an air gap 2x4 intake that I can top the engine off with. So we have stuff here to make a pretty cool little street engine. Little performance, not full-blown race, but a little performance. And I think right now I've got it in my mind to back it with a 5-speed manual, just because I'm a manual guy. So I'm thinking I want to back it with a 5-speed manual. I've got ideas, is what I'm saying. And I'm thinking right now off the top of my head to paint it kind of like the Galaxy here. Paint the truck white with a red interior, just like the Galaxy. I may not do that, I don't know. I don't know about that part yet. But I've got a nice set of the Traeger wheels to go on it. I've got stuff. So we want to build the truck and give the truck away. Now, how's the giveaway going to work? I've done a lot of thinking, a lot of soul searching on this, and this is how I want to work it. And it's going to be solely dependent on the people that watch these videos, but no one will ever have to spend one dime. It will be completely free to you. So here's what I got in mind. We're going to do videos building the truck. Now, it's going to be a few weeks before we start. It'll be a summer project before we start because I've got to finish up this Jeep that you don't see right now. But here's what we're going to do. I need each video, I need you to share the videos with people, and each video to get between 50 and 100,000 views, somewhere in that neighborhood, which isn't many. I mean, we drop a video every once in a while, and I've got one video, it's almost 1 million views. It's not that difficult to do. It just has to be something that people actually engage in. And when you engage in a video by commenting and sharing, or even just giving a thumbs up and things like that, YouTube sees that people are interested and they start sending it out to more people's For You page. That way the video gains traction. So it's all in how you interact in the videos, how many views they get. So here's what we need to do. I need each video to get somewhere between 50 and 100,000 views. If that's possible, then the videos will pay for the build of the truck. More views is better. We'll get to that in a minute. We'll start with this video. I need this video to be shared and get a lot of views and all that stuff. And then, as we build the truck, we need each video to get those views. And then when the truck's done, we'll just go down through there, figure out how much money we spent, how much money the videos has made, and whatever the balance is, we'll do the math. We'll make a video, hey, this thing is done. We need this many views on this video. When that video gets that many views, then we go, okay, here's the truck. And we're gonna do something fun to give it away. I don't know if we'll, of course, it'll be for subscribers. And so I don't know if we'll put subscribers' name on a giant wheel, like what's that thing, like a process wheel, and spin it and just let it stop on a name, or what we'll do. But the point is, no one will ever have to invest a single penny. That they will get this truck absolutely free, just handed over to you. All it takes is views. That's it. So we need the videos to get, shared. And when I say views, people go, oh man, I don't want to watch a 20-minute video. I don't want to watch a 30-minute video. Don't. Put it on your phone or your TV or something. Go in the kitchen, make you a sandwich. I don't care if you watch it, as long as YouTube thinks you're watching it. You understand what I'm saying? So we're going to do that. We're going to get the truck away. And right now, I'm thinking the combination is going to be a 390. I guess technically it's like a 396, right? Because it's 30 over. It's going to be a 390 motor, 5-speed transmission, 9-inch rear end. Right now, I'm thinking, and this part may change as we go. I'm thinking like a red interior, white out exterior to match the Galaxy is what I'm kind of thinking. I don't know yet. I could go either way with that. The truck is factory green, so it might not be a bad idea to do the truck in green and do a Motti report on the truck and do the truck in the original color. We'll work on that part. I have a set of 15 by 8. I think they're 15 by 8. Krager wheels. I love Kragers. We'll do Krager wheels all the way around it. I will not do the Crown Vic stuff or anything like that. We're going to leave the actual truck suspension under it. And this is why. There's people out there that like stock. There's people out there that like lowered a little bit. There's people out there that like full resto mod. But if we went through and done like, say we set it on a Crown Vic chassis and dropped it on the ground and all, the guys that like stock will never go backwards on it. It wouldn't be for them. But if we leave the stock suspension under it, even if we lower it an inch or two, and we leave the stock suspension under it, guys that like the stock truck, well, they've got it. Guys that want one lowered a little bit, they can tweak that a little bit. If guys want to put a Crown Vic suspension under it, well, once they win the truck, they can do that. You can always go further with it, but it is a pain in the ass to go backwards with one. Not saying you can't, it's just a big pain to go backwards with one. So that's the way we're going to do that. Suspension is going to be relatively stock. We may put new parts in it, may put better parts in it, But as far as the suspension itself, it's still going to have the F100 suspension, is what I'm saying. What else am I thinking here? I believe, I may be wrong, I believe I have a sliding back glass that'll fit that truck. I don't know if I do or not. And I don't know if I want to put a sliding back glass or a regular glass in it. We can go either way on that one. The interior, I'd like to do something neat. Those trucks really don't have an interior except for a seat and a headliner. So we'll come up with some kind of neat headliner and some kind of unique seat to make it a little different. But at the end of the day, we want to build a nice, classy truck that we can give somebody, no matter what kind of vehicle you're into, you'll be proud to drive that truck around. But we want it to be a driver truck, something that somebody can just drive and just enjoy and cruise. Maybe we'll do some stuff like, I don't know, maybe we'll do some kind of AC in the truck. That would be nice, wouldn't it? I don't know. It all depends on how many views we get. That's where I'm going to circle back around to the views thing. Now, let's talk about the views for a minute. For those that don't know, YouTube pays based off of how many views a video gets. That's how a YouTuber gets paid. The more views, the more money we make. Now, YouTube helps promote videos based off of reactions the videos get. So the more people that comment on the video, the more people that interact with thumbs up and share and like and all that stuff, people subscribe during the video, interactions with the video in any way, YouTube's algorithm will then put that video and push it a little harder because they see people are interested in it. So these videos need to get those interactions. You're going to have to share these videos because that helps and that gets us there. But here's the deal. It's going to take between 50 and 100,000 views per video for the videos to pay for the truck bill, because YouTube doesn't pay a lot of money, but it pays a little money. The guys you see making a living off YouTube are getting millions of views on every video. So we need just enough to build the truck. So I need somewhere between 50 and 100,000 to build the truck. Now, if we exceed the amount of money we need to build the truck with, the videos just go viral and blow up, and we get 500,000, a million, whatever, just throwing numbers out there, views on these videos, and the video blows up, then at the end of the build, we'll sit down and figure up, and we'll do it right here on the video. We'll sit down and figure out how much money we invested in the truck, how much money the videos made us, and I can show how much money the videos made because I have a little app on my phone that keeps track of all that. So we'll show how much money the videos made. We'll show how much money the truck cost to build. The money that is left over, the money above and beyond when the truck is done, the money above and beyond what the cost of the build was, we'll donate that money to a charity, something like Special Olympics or maybe what's that other one? St. Jude's, something along those lines. At the time the build is done. So when we're done with the video, we'll add everything up right then. Whatever that number is, it either just pays for the truck or there's a bunch of money left over. And if there's a bunch of money left over, whatever that number is, we'll donate it at that time. I'll have to be very specific and say at the time the build is done because, well, these videos will be there forever. So forever these videos will be making, 10 cents here, 10 cents there. But at the time the videos are done, the time the truck is done, the time the truck is done and the build is finished, we'll add everything up. And if y'all have been generous enough to share these videos and these videos just go above and beyond, then we'll have some extra money in the pot and we'll just cut a check and donate it to one of these charities. If it's real generous, maybe there'll be enough money we can just split it up and donate to both of them maybe or something. But that's kind of what I want to do with that truck. So hopefully y'all latch on to the idea and y'all support the idea And you can do it starting with this video right here. So if this is an idea you like and an idea you want to support and you want to get behind, comment, share, thumbs up, all those things. Interact with this video and make this video gain a lot of views. And that way we understand that, yes, you're on board and you think this is a good idea. I know some people don't like to give away stuff, but I've always figured the reason some people don't like to give away stuff is because every time somebody gives something away, it involves you spending money. You either have to buy a ticket, or you have to buy merch, or you have to buy every $10 worth of merch is one entry, or some over the top thing. This, you don't have to invest anything but your time to play the video. And again, you can put the video on your phone, lay your phone down, watch me while you take a poop. I don't care. When you go to bed at night, turn the video on, let it play, lay the phone down by your nightstand. I don't care. Let the videos play. That way the videos get watch hours. You know what I'm saying? That's all it takes from you, is to watch the videos. And then we're going to build a 67 F100 and we're going to give it away. And we're going to try to build something that's kind of cool. And along the way, when we're doing a video, we get to a point where we have to make a decision. We'll put a decision out there for y'all. Let you pop in the comments and let you kind of decide which way we go. Maybe we'll do that with color choice. I don't know. Wanted to put that out there. We talked about this a while back. We got busy with Power Tour and all these things going on, and we've never gotten around to actually talking about this truck. But as soon as I get that Jeep CJ back in here and get that Jeep CJ done and painted and it's ready to go home, the F100 build starts. And then we're going to give it away to somebody. I think that's about all I can say about that. Please drop a comment, interact with this video, let me know what you think of that. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you to all those who have shared, liked, subscribed. Help us out, and we'll give something away that's really cool. God bless you guys. I hope the Lord bless you more today than he did yesterday. To him be the glory, and guys, we'll see you on the next one.
I'd say he's a nut job.